Well, hello, this is a Konica 80 Super Zoom. This is actually quite a bit of heavy metal for a plastic point and shoot camera. It's got a diopter control. You can control whether you got single or continuous shutter speed. You've got a self timer. It's got a data pack, and it's got a flash with quite a high guide number. It's got some kick. Don't know the specs off the top of my head. You pick it up and start using it and it actually feels like a proper camera, like an SLR in some ways. It's actually got, and I've got them here, a creative filter set, which is star, fog and soft focus. Lo and behold. But the best thing about it is the results. The lens is as sharp as heck. Don't know where this fitted in the market. You know, it's sort of a consumer point and shooty camera, but with some slightly more advanced features. And yeah, I'd rate this a 7.5 out of 10 because of the results that you can get with it. If you're into, you know, sharpness, lack of distortion, lack of aberration, which I tend to be into. If I need distortion and aberration, well, I can always go and do that in Photoshop, distort and aberrate it all by myself. I'd like my lens to give it its first best go. I like it. I think it's a good thing. I am going to sell it, but that's only so I can not have 200 cameras. So thanks very much for watching. Brett Johnson quick review on a Konica Super Zoom 80. 40 to 80 is the focal length. There we go, I just remembered that. So not all of them are 48 to 80. Some of them are 40 to 80. So a little bit wider. Quite nice. Okay, have a great day. See ya. Bye.